Someone climbed out of the helicopter and then
was on top of the yellow raft, screaming help and waving his arms like this, and we were waving back and yelling that help was on the way.
The pilot freed himself. The other 5 did not. So police and fire divers entered the water and removed the other 5. 3 of them were removed in critical condition. They have been removed to the hospital. 2 of them were declared pronounced dead at the scene. It took a while for the divers to get these people out. They worked very quickly, as fast as they could. That's 50 feet of water there. There was a 4-mile-an-hour current, and the temperature is below 40. So everyone worked very hard. It's a great tragedy that we had occur here on a quiet, otherwise quiet Sunday evening.